Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk through the sheet mode of metrics and tables. We're going to look at the revenue planning board that we have here and the line item based plan. So we're going to talk about how you can do this in sheet mode. So this is currently in the grid. So we're going to open this up. And we're going to change it from grid to sheet. Okay. I have zoomed in a bit here, as you can see, just to see this a little better. So you can see here we have 5% growth in February. So maybe we want a 5% growth in March as well, rather than, putting numbers in here and trying to get to that 5% growth. The sheet view lets you do some ad hoc formulas, which is super helpful. So we're going to say, let's set this to prior year times 1 plus that 5% growth that we see in February. So that's the number we want here. So maybe we're just going to put our adjustment in line item 3. So we'll just set this to the number we would like minus the sum of these two. So you can see all of the formulas that you would expect to have in Excel are available in the sheet view. Now you can see that there is a formula here. And if you need to change this formula, you can. If you want to make a bunch of updates, you can. It kind of highlights the cell so you're clear of what's been updated. Unlike the grid view, it will not save your changes automatically. You have to go down here where this save one update is happening. Once you click that save update, this number commits, but the formula does not. Now the formula is gone, but you can still see the changes you've made, and you can see the 5% growth. So this really allows you to do a lot more ad hoc analysis. People can go in and customize what they want to see happen in these cells without having to, build whole models for them. Okay, that's it. That's the preview of the sheet view. Thanks.